come to your chair side, offering you both hot and cold refreshments. There's a brochure in your seat pocket which allows you to peruse all the items we have on board today. When we come to your chair side, if there are any items you'd like to purchase, I wonder please if you can have either a credit card, personal credit card, a debit card even, or if you have accrued Avios points, if you can have those ready for your purchases. That would be very kind. At this stage, British Airways accepts no cash payments for any